In this video, I will show you exactly how you can make a deepfake of Andrew Tate like this one, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's get started.
So to be able to make a deepfake video like this, you have to use two kinds of softwares. So first we are going to use the DID software, which is actually able to synchronize an audio sample or audio file to your image, and after that it will actually make sure that the image is moving with the mouth and the eyes exactly according to the voice audio. So to be able to do this, you have to just Google an image of Andrew Tate, for example, or you can just try one of the other sample images. But let's say you want to make a deepfake about Andrew Tate, then you can just Google an image and paste it in here. It's very important that the person in the image is looking straight into the camera, otherwise the result won't be optimal. So what you can do here is actually type in a script and use just regular voices here, so something like a male voice like Guy. And you can also change the style and the tonation of the voice. So let's say you want to be an angry voice.
Hello, my name is Ron.
Or you can use an unfriendly.
Hello, my name is Ron.
But if you really want to optimize your deepfake, the best what you can do is use another software to actually upload the voice audio for you. So that's where the voice.ai software is actually come into play. So this software is actually free in the trial version, and in the trial version you can only use one voice. For this example I use Andrew Tate, but there are all kinds of other voices like Barack Obama.
This is a standardized audio sample to demonstrate voice stability and tone.
Or something like Biden's voice.
This is a standardized audio sample to demonstrate voice stability and tone without any voice acting. For optimal results, try doing your best impression.
So for this tutorial I was able to only train the voice of Andrew Tate. And what it will actually do is it will initialize the voice, and this way you can use your own microphone to actually come up with the audio or the text, and it will convert that into an actual audio file or a speech, but then with the tonation and the voice of Andrew Tate. So this AI is actually improving every day, every month, and a lot of people are working on this, so it will actually improve a lot. So this is only the beta version, as you can see here. But this way you can actually use your own voice and convert it into the same speech, but then with Andrew Tate's voice. And if you record that audio file, you can actually upload it here. That's the same as I did for the video I showed you in the intro. And then you get something like this.
In this video, I will show you exactly how you can make a deepfake of Andrew Tate like this one, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's get started.
So yeah, you can see it's actually pretty easy to do this. You can also see it's not very realistic, but this is also because I'm in the trial version of both softwares. So if you buy the premium plan, the quality of both the audio and the video will actually improve. So if you thought this tutorial was interesting, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.